This excavator is not scooping dirt. It is shaving the mine wall non-stop. The front is a wheel of buckets. Each bucket bites, lifts, and dumps. Then conveyors carry the ground away. That is why the machine never has to reset. The hard part is the weight. Bagger 288 weighs about 13,500 tons. So it rides on 12 crawler tracks. The load spreads across the ground. The wheel cuts. The belts move. The tracks. It is not one excavator. It is a moving mine.